In Genesis chapters 1 through 3, we not only read about the creation of our world, but we also learn how to stand for wellness. Water, exercise, live temperately, love, nutrition, environment, sunshine, thought life, air, nature, dress, sufficient rest, and simple trust in God. In this nugget, we want to focus on the first way to stand for wellness, which is water. In Genesis 1 and verse 2, we read, "The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters." We see that when the world began, it was in essence water. All life on earth is dependent upon water for its existence. The human body itself is made of approximately 60% of water by weight, and proper health depends upon a steady source of pure water, and without it, a healthy adult would die in a few days. You and I, as adults, need about 1 ounce of water for every 2 pounds that we weigh. But if you are sweating and if you are sick with a fever, vomiting, or diarrhea, you need to drink more. But in general, just remember 1 ounce of water for every 2 pounds that you weigh. The fact is, your body is made up of trillions of cells, and each of these cells require water in order to carry out its functions. Your body is not made of 60% Coca-Cola, milk, or orange juice. When God created Adam and Eve, He placed them in the Garden of Eden. There wasn't a river of milk, a lake of Mountain Dew, or waterfalls of apple juice. God chose the best for us, water. Among other things, water helps to remove waste products, keeps your blood volume expanded, it prevents headaches, helps prevent constipation, lubricates your joints, and helps maintain a youthful look of your skin, and improves cognition or thinking. Water is not only beneficial inside your body, but its external application can be very therapeutic. Bathing daily and keeping clean is important, but applications of hot and cold water on the skin, over joints, or infected parts of the body can decrease the pain and swelling and can increase immune system function. Taking a 20-minute hot foot bath when you start to feel sick can help ward off the illness. In John 4:13 and 14, we learn about another type of water. It states, "Whoever drinks of this water will thirst again, but whoever drinks of the water that I shall give him will never thirst. But the water that I shall give him will become in him a fountain of water, springing up into everlasting life." This water is Christ, living in you, making you like Him. I want that water, don't you? God bless you abundantly as you learn to stand for wellness.